आपने आज शक्ति दिखाई है वो डिसिपेट ना हो, वो किसी तरह हम इसको फोकस कर सकें। ऊर्जा का काम मोस्टली it's really to do with boots on the ground, because we are the people who actually deliver a lot of what the government should have been delivering at the ground level, and which is why I wish to speak to you. Most of the experts have told you stuff related to air pollution, air quality index, PM 2.5, etc. It's not my brief to do that. What I would like to suggest here is some of the things that, since you have taken the effort of coming here, I hope you will be able to do in your local areas. There is a lot of talk about spreading awareness, but beyond the point, merely spreading awareness ends up subverting action on the ground, because you get caught in all this awareness. आपने देखा होगा कि कभी-कभी in local areas if there is a problem, it starts circulating on WhatsApp. But the person who has to solve that problem is probably the junior engineer in the government department. He is not on your WhatsApp page. So at the end of the day, you end up running a photography contest amongst all of you. I'm not trying to belittle what you do, but I'm only trying to say that what you can do can be more useful. And I want to suggest a few things about that. You know, the good thing about the odd even plan was not really that it got the pollution down, or it did not, or it cleared the traffic. It was that it made awareness actionable on the ground. Now that really is something phenomenal, and Delhi's residents have done a great deal about that. Insofar as a lot of people ask what should be done, I would like to tell you that there are laws about what should be done. And the mere enforcement of those laws would solve a large amount of our problems. We have a law on air pollution, on air quality. We have a law on footpaths. We have a law on construction waste. It is simply not being implemented despite the orders of the NGT, the High Court and the Supreme Court. Now the enforcement of the rule of law is essential to any society, and it is for the government to do. ये काम तो सरकार करेगी, लेकिन मेरी आपसे अपेक्षा ये है, what I wish and I hope you can do, because all of you are active, you have taken the first step to move, is that whether it is to do, see, understand one thing, that a lot of this problem is not coming from the government, it is coming from within us also. Example देता हूँ आपको कि अगर solid waste और ये leaves की burning, if we have to curtail the burning of leaves, we have to start composting it. That's one of the methods to do that. Now, as a body of 2,500 resident welfare associations, I know that if I was to hold a meeting and call the residents and ask them, क्यों भाई composting करनी चाहिए? हाँ करनी चाहिए. Everybody will say हाँ करनी चाहिए. But when it comes to doing it, there will be a lot of resistance and say नहीं जो A block park में पिट मत खो दिए, C block में चले जाइए. The same thing happens with toilets for part-time domestic help that comes into our areas to work. While a lot of people don't let them use toilets inside the house, if you talk about building toilets within the domain of the colonies and the residential areas, everybody will be politically correct and say yes, let's do it. But when it comes to doing it, very few people will allow you to put that toilet in the park next to their house. So what has to be done is known. We know what to do with construction waste. It's not allowed. We know that we need footpaths. I will tell you that a large part of traffic volume in Delhi is being generated from within the system. So if you could walk to the 500-meter shop, a shop 500 meter away, you pull out your car. Every time you pull out your car, you block traffic. You go and park. You withdraw. So, if you had footpaths, you will considerably reduce traffic. Here is what I want you all to consider doing. In all the areas where you live, within a 1 kilometer radius, just collect 20 active people. I'm telling you, 20. If you can magnify that to about 100 is great, and that's going to make just 0.2% of the population. Collect only 20 people, and there are just 5 people that you need to go after. By going after, I don't mean aggressively, I mean with tenacity, with regularity, and pursue it. ये 5 लोग कौन है? Your MLA, your municipal councillor, he's very important as far as the garbage and this local area stuff is concerned. Your SHO, जो थाने में SHO होता है, बहुत अहम personality है. All of you And this is not on WhatsApp or not on Facebook. This is boots on the ground. Make a set of 20 people. अपने MLA के पास जाइए, अपने म्यूनिसिपल काउंसलर के पास जाइए, अपने SHO के पास जाइए, जोन के DC के पास जाइए और अपने RWA के पास जाइए. दबाव बनाइए. यहाँ क्या आपका? करिए इसको. And I can assure you that in the 272 municipal wards of Delhi, if you collect 20 to 100 people and you put boots on the ground and you start doing this on a regular basis, नियमित रूप से करें अगर आप, तो ये बदलाव आ जाएगा. It is not just air pollution. Air pollution is not isolated. It is linked to a lot of other things. We have to have an attitude towards pollution. Today, after all, हम filtered पानी पीते हैं कि नहीं पीते हैं? लेकिन मास्क लगाने में लोगों को तकलीफ क्यों होती है? हवाई तो फिल्टर कर रहे हैं आप. लेकिन the answer is not filtered water. We want clean rivers. The answer is not walk mask or a mask. The answer is clear here. लेकिन ये मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ आपसे, सिर्फ अवेयरनेस कैंपेन से काम नहीं चलेगा. आपको इस अवेयरनेस को जमीन पर, भूमि पर ट्रांसफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा और आप ये कर सकते हैं. इफ यू डू इट, इट विल ट्रांसफॉर्म. मैं आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं आप यहाँ आए. मैं और ऊर्जा की तरफ से आपको आश्वासन देता हूं कि दिल्ली में कहीं भी आप बताइए कहां काम करना चाहते हैं, ऊर्जा आपको सपोर्ट करेगा. ऊर्जा के RWA आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे. हम पूरी तरह से कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको जो भी साधन चाहिए हो, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पीपल, इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड एक्टिव पीपल ऑन द ग्राउंड, वी विल हेल्प यू. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.